Alright guys, we're going to talk a little bit about the clutch on the Farmall. Alright, I'm going to show you where the adjustment is and how to adjust it, how to grease the throwout bearing, and how to get access to inspect the clutch. Alright, I was having a little bit of throwout bearing noise, so I suspected that bearing has not been greased in who knows how many years. So that's what brought me to this subject here. So the way you know you have a bad throwout bearing, or throwout bearing is not greased, alright, if you hear a noise, a whining, high pitched kind of metallic noise coming from your bell housing, you think it's coming from your transmission. When you step on that clutch, you step it all the way down, the noise goes away. Well, that's not your transmission, that's your throwout bearing. Okay, because when the clutch is pressed all the way down, okay, it'll stop. Okay, but when you release it, it will make noise. Alright, that's just the way it does it 99% of the time. If that noise comes and goes away with the movement of the clutch, it's your throwout bearing. Alright, so this small hole here, most of you are going to have a plastic cap over this small hole here. Okay, that's your grease fitting hole. Okay, I don't know if you're going to be able to see this or not. I'm going to try my best. Get the light on there so you can see it. But up inside there, 12 o'clock high, is the grease fitting. And I don't know if I'm going to be able to let you see it or not. Probably not, but I think right there you can see it right there. That's it, right dead center. Alright, I think you can see it. That's your grease fitting, okay? You stick your gun straight in there. It's straight in, 12 o'clock, okay? And according to the book and other manuals I've seen, it takes 10 pumps. Okay, now depending on how much you use your tractor, how often you're going to grease it. Okay, how much you're going to grease it, alright? But when you start hearing that throwout bearing noise like I explained, with the movement of the pedal, you know that bearing is running a little dry. And give it a couple of shots of grease. Some guys say they do it once a month, once every 2 weeks. Some guys say they hardly ever do it at all. I'm willing to bet you this tractor probably haven't had done in years, the way this tractor was abused. So again, 12 o'clock, straight in, okay? Shine the light in there, you'll find. You can actually stick, if you have a long finger, you stick it in there, you can feel it. But you better use a flashlight, shine it in there, and you'll find it, trust me. It's there, okay? Don't think it's not there. Your tractor doesn't have one. It's there. Okay, now I'm going to give you the worm's eye view. Bear with me as I get my fat ass on the ground. Okay, here's the big inspection hole here. Okay, you can look up in here. Again, you're going to have a plastic cover over this. Okay, take the cover off. You're going to look up in here, you're going to be able to see everything. Okay, everything, right? You can even see the throwout bearing. After you grease it, you'll be able to see a little bit of grease coming out of your throwout bearing. You can see everything up in here. Alright? So you'll be able to see if you have a broken spring, or the throwout bearing is actually loose, or the fork is messed up. So it's a good inspection hole. It really is very good. Okay? Now on this end, going to the back of the tractor now. Going to the back, okay? See, there's the clutch pedal right up there. Straight beneath it is another hole, and this hole is for your clutch adjustment. Okay? Now you see those nuts there? Okay? You loosen up the set nut, alright? Back it out, alright? And then you move the other one in or out, which controls the rod movement, in or out, and that will control the movement on your clutch pedal. Okay? And depending on how old the clutch is, your movement's going to be between 3/4 of an inch and an inch and a half, 2 inches. Okay, if it starts getting a 3 or 4 inch movement before you get engagement, you need an adjustment really bad, or that clutch is really badly worn. So stay on top of this, guys. It's really, tell you, this machine is so user friendly. It's incredible. You just lay down here, easy access, adjust your clutch, easy access to inspect your clutch, and the rest of whatever might be up in there. And unlike I have here, keep your cover on. Okay, I have the covers on the Super A. Keep your covers on. Okay, because animals like to crawl up in there and make a nest. Alright, so keep your covers on. And alright, so inspection hole, clutch adjustment hole, and the one I showed you up top. Bear with me, I'm swinging out. Okay, there's your grease fitting. Alright, right there. Alright guys, so just want to touch base on this because I just experienced that with the noise from the throttle bearing. I greased it and no more noise. No more noise. So that graphite bearing was very, very dry. Needed grease badly. So hopefully that'll be the situation with that. Alright guys, hope this is helpful. I know you guys who are new to the Farmalls don't even know these holes are here or what they're for. So now you do, and so you can maintain your tractor. Okay, book 'em, Dano.